Hi guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge, and today we'll start with the S&P 500. And the S&P 500 is almost at an all-time high. It can happen any moment, I think. I will take profit on this green trend line. Where does that green trend line come from? It comes from over here. I expect it to touch it over here again, act as resistance, maybe come back for a retest on support of the previous all-time high then. So yeah, that is what I'm expecting, and I am trading. So I'm always taking a look at the S&P 500 because in my opinion it correlates very much with BTC. Also the dollar correlates and gold correlates. It's all correlating with each other. I'm at the moment short on Bitcoin. I don't like it. I believe we're in a bull market, but I'm seeing this breakdown over here. I post these setups also on TradingView and on Twitter. Please follow me on Twitter. I post various trade setups on Twitter before the video sometimes. Also make sure if you trade with some leverage, use one of these sign up links or in the video description, they're there as well. So I am short, and this is actually a bearish pattern. We saw the break of the trend line and then they come back for a bearish retest. I expected it to dump already. They can move back up. This is a horizontal support, and as you can see we played with it a little bit. This is like the mid range, and it could also go back up from here. This trend line is my stop. So Bitcoin, it is very bullish, and I believe we are in a bull market. Why is that? That is because we broke this mega trend line over here, and you see what happens after a break of that line. Also, you want to see confirmation of a higher high. These were the previous higher highs, and you could also see an inverse head and shoulders in it. Look up that pattern if you want. Head and shoulders is something I look up. I use a lot, sorry. So taking a look at the 15-minute. We're stuck in the range. It's just about this, and this, a double top at the moment. Could come back up easily, but right now I'm in a short because of a break of this trend line. Doesn't mean it will go down. There's a lot of buying power, and there's been a lot of money coming in and maybe ready to step in even more. Ethereum is playing on this level. 360 is a big support. You see it over here as well. Trend line, broke it, rode the trend line a little bit, and then started moving up, making higher highs from here and over here. And right now we are a bit making bounces on support, and it's just maybe we'll make a flag, something like this. Not sure, but it could be something like this forming a bull flag and then going for its next move up. You could say resistance is over here. I would say 500 should be resistance. Looking back over here, I believe it goes to 500 pretty soon. They're just consolidating a little bit, loading up for the next move. And of course, this rising wedge is a bearish pattern, but in a bull market they can break up as well. Looking at gold and other assets at the moment. So yeah, that is about it for Ethereum. I believe it goes over there to 500. Ethereum BTC. Let's take a look. Perfect breakout here as well of a 2-year trend line. Made a higher high over here. Broke this one that just didn't even stop. Okay, well, they did a little retest. And this is the next level in my opinion. They need to break. They made a kind of a fake out, but I believe they will easily go to 0.054. So yeah, it is just loading up a little bit, but I'm bullish, crazy bullish, guys. And yeah, well, we're just gonna take a look at the chat champion over here. Link. You can see they made a beautiful flag over here as well. Or a falling wedge, whatever you like to see. Something like this, and that breaks up, and then they make some more. You can see a beautiful wedge here as well, or maybe something like this, and they broke it up again as well. I mean, it's hard to say where this will stop. It looks like temporary top is in again. They made a small, if you zoom in a little bit, made a small breakout again over here as well, and you see how nice these trend lines work. You break it up, maybe it's time for new highs already again. It's hard to say where this will go. Probably be another $8 move if you ask me, but yeah, Link is going clearly parabolic, guys. I mean, it's hard to call the top, but I would say if it goes up another 20% in a day, and it retraces the 20% in a day as well, that's probably the top. So yeah, it's really easy to see this is going parabolic. It's accelerating to the upside. And actually this is kind of the bullish case for Bitcoin. You see the funding rates, they're all very low, meaning the bulls can easily sit in their long positions. These are all of margin exchanges. If you want to trade with some margin as well, look up for the sign up links in my video description. They give you additional discounts, sometimes even a starting bonus. They're also on my Twitter page. Follow me on Twitter as well, and follow me on TradingView. Click one of the links and you can follow me over there. I see you guys again tomorrow. And like I said, Link USD probably, clearly bullish. Trend is up. Ethereum trend is up. Both BTC and USD. Long S&P 500. I'm in my short, but ready to take some profit over here. Otherwise, this is my stop. So guys, I'll see you guys again tomorrow, and happy trading.